Good morning, students. Today I am beginning the revision for our midterm exam. The chapter I have started with is multiplication and division. This is chapter number 4. Without wasting time, let us start. Properties of multiplication. I am starting with this because for multiple choice question, MCQs, fill in the blanks, true, false, basically comes from the properties, any properties of multiplication, properties of addition, properties of subtraction, properties of division. So here I am beginning with properties of multiplication. Number 1, when a number is multiplied by 1, the result is the number itself. So if I multiply a number by 1, the answer is the same number. So when we multiply the number by 1, we get the result or the product, the number itself. When a number is multiplied by 0, the product is 0. If we multiply anything by 0, the product will be 0. The product of two numbers does not change with a change in the order of the numbers. This is commutative property. What is commutative property? Here you can see I have written 10 into 7. So 7 is in the second place, 10 is in the first place. 10 into 7 is 70. We all know. Now what I have done, I have changed the position of the numbers. 7 in the first place and 10 in the second place. So 7 into 10 is also 70. Though we have changed the order of the places or order of the numbers, the product doesn't change. So this is called commutative property. This holds good for your product multiplication and addition, but not for division and subtraction. So in multiplication, commutative property holds good. That means commutative property is valid for multiplication. So the fourth property is regrouping and changing the order of numbers doesn't change the product of the numbers. This is associative property. Associative property holds good for multiplication and addition same way. So here I have taken a group of numbers 10 into 2 into 3, 10 into 2 into 3. I have made group of these two numbers first. Inside the bracket you have learned the rule of BODMAS. I did in simplification chapter 5. Inside the bracket thing we have to do first. So 10 into 2 is 20. Then you multiply the result with 3, you get 60. Then the second group I have made with 2 and 3. With 2 and 3 I have made the second group. So 10 into 2 by 2 into 3 we have to do first. 2 into 3 is 6. 10 into 6 is 60. The third group, what we are left with, 10 into 3. This 10 and 3 will be in one group. Then multiply this by the remaining number 2. So 10 into 3 is 30 into 2. 30 into 2 is 60. Though we have changed the groups, what we can see that the product their product is same. So changing the order of the numbers or regrouping, that means making different groups, will not change the product of the numbers. This is associative property. So it is also very important. So property number 5 is bigger numbers can be divided into smaller numbers to multiply easily. This is the distributive property of multiplication. So this is not divided, it is the expanded form of the number. Here I am given to multiply 18 and 105. I have to make this multiplication in an easier way. I have to solve this in easier way. What to do? 105 I can write as 100 plus 5. So 18 into 100 plus 5. So next step is 18 plus 100, 18 into 100, plus what? 18 into 5. 18 into 5. First step is 18 into 100 plus 18 into 5. 18 into 100 in the plus I have written up to this. So next is 18 into 5, like this. As you know, we are multiplying with 100, so it is the two zeros will be after 18. So it is 1800. 18 into 5 is how much? It is 90. So 1800 plus 90, if you add, it is 1890. 1890. This is so easy. You do not have to multiply 18 into 105. What you have done? You have written 105 in expanded form. Then what you did? 18 into 100 plus 18 into 100 plus again 18 into 5. 18 into the second number 5. Then find the products and then add. For this 95 is what? 95 is nothing but 100 minus 5. So the same way, but the sign will be minus. So it is 28 into, in place of 95 I write 900 minus 5. So 28 into 100 minus, I have written up to this, then again 28 into 5. 28 into 5. So multiplication by 100, it is 2800 minus, you do the calculation, 28 into 5, there is no place for rough work, so I am doing here. 5 into 8 is 40, 4 is carried forwarded to the next higher place. 5 into 2 is 10 plus 4, it is 14. So it is 140. So subtract 140 from 2800. 0, this is 0. 0 is less than 4. So carry 1, it will become 7. 10 minus 4 is 6. 7 minus 1 is 6. Then 2 will come down. So it is 2660. This is the answer. like this you have to do. This is distributive property of multiplication. This is very important from the exam point of view. You must know this, how to multiply using distributive property. So next is multiplication by 10, 100, 1000 and their multiples. So I have already mentioned, if I multiply by 10, what is the shortest method? I have 1 0 after 1. You have to remember this should be 1. In 10, after 1 we have 0. So what I have to do? 9 to 1. This 0 I am writing here. This is the result, the shortest way to find the multiplication. So if I multiply 983 to 1 into suppose 30, how we shall I am going to write 8 3 to 1 into 30. I can write it as 3 into 10. So here I am writing 3 into 10. I am making a group of these two numbers. 8 3 to 1 into 3, you multiply. 3 into 1 is 3, 3 to the 6, 3 3 are 9, 3 into 28 is 24. So for this I am going to write this number 24963 into 10. Just now what I had told you, this 0 I am going to add here to get the result. So it is equal to 24963 and put the 0. This will be your answer. So this way you have to do. If it is by 100, what I have to do? 89 into 100 is 2 zeros. So I am writing these 2 zeros, pair of the zeros after 89. So this is the multiplication, very easy. Suppose 991 into 500, it is equal to 500 is nothing but what? 5 into 100. So 991 into 5 into 100, in place of 500 make a pair of 991 and 5. So 991 into 5, 5 into 1 5, 9 into 5 is 45, 4, 9 into 5 is 45 plus 4 is 49. So it is equal to 4955. These two zeros I am going to add. So this is the result. 4000, same way. 4000, suppose it is 39 into 1000. I have 3 zeros after 1000. 39, the 3 zeros I am going to add here at the right side of the number. 59 into 7000. How I shall do? 59, 7000 is 7 into 1000. 59 into 7 into 1000. So it is make a pair of 59 and 7. What is 59 into 7? I am writing, doing the rough work. 7 into 9 is 63, 6. 7 into 5 is 35 plus 6, that is 41. 7 into 9 is 63. 6, 7 into 5, 35 plus 6, 41 equal to 413, and I have 3 zeros, so write the 3 zeros here like this. Very easy. If you are having some problem, you can ask me in the doubt clarification hour in the evening. This is easy only. I hope you will be able to do the sums. Now multiplication by some bigger numbers. It is given. Multiply 13452 by 627. For that, 627, if I write in expanded form, you remember 600 plus 20 plus 7. So 13452 into 627, I can write 13452 into, in place of 625 I am writing the expanded form within bracket. So 600 plus 20 plus 7 like this. Then I am using distributive property. So 13452 into 13452 into 600 plus 13452 13452 into 20 plus 13452 into 7 13452 into 7. So 13452 into 627. If I write, what I can write, this is 600, 2 zeros, sorry, I am starting with ones number, multiplication with ones number. Ones number is 7. Here also ones number, it is 7. So 452 into 7. 7 into 2 is 14. 5 into 7 is 35. 35 plus the carry 36. So 3 will be the carry. 7 into 4 is 28 plus 3, that is 31. Again 3. 7 into 3 is 21 plus 3, 24. 2 will be the carry. 7 into 1 is 7 plus 2, 9. So it is 4, 6, 1, 4, 9. This number I am writing from the right side. The next step is we have to multiply 13452 by 20. In the tens place we have 20. So we are having 10. Do you remember the what did I say? The multiplication of a number by 10, 100, 1000 and its multiple. 20 is multiple of 10. 10 is having 10, so I am writing the 0 here. Now 2 is left. We have to multiply 13452 by 2. 13452 into 2, that is 4. 10, 1 is carry, 2 4s are 8 plus carry 9, 2 into 3 6, 2 into 1 2. So this number I am going to put here from the right side. 4 in the tens place, 0 in hundreds place, 9 in thousands place, 6 and 2. Now we are going to multiply 13452 by 600. This, so here what you have to do, you have to multiply 13452 by 600. This 20 I can write here. So 13452 into 6, 13452 into 6, 6 into 2 is 12, 6 into 3 is 30, plus 1, 31, 3 carry, 4 into 6 is 24, plus 3, 27, again 2, 6 into 3 is 18, 18 plus 2 is 20, 6 into 1 is 6, plus 2 it is 8. So it is, if I write this number here, 21708. Now add these three numbers, that is 4, 10, 4 plus 9 plus 1, it is again 14, then 9 plus 6 plus 7, 22, 4, 8. Here I made a mistake. 9 plus 6 plus 7, that is 22, and 1 carry was there, so it is 3. So answer is 84 lakh 34,404. This is the answer.